So let me tell you a little bit about Warr Co. We trace our roots back to 1982. We're a 5-partner firm. Our main office is in Stockport and we have a second office in London. Perhaps I should start by saying what we're not. We're not a contractor service organisation. I think many of our competitors can be described that way. We're a firm of accountants. First and foremost, a firm of accountants. We provide accountancy services to clients. Perhaps 70% of our clients in number and 50% in value are contractors, but we have a wide range of other clients, and we find that the experience we gain from dealing with other clients is useful in dealing with contractors. If you feel you want a contractor service organisation, if you want to be on a conveyor belt, if you want everything laid out for you, simple, with little or no input from you, don't come to us. Come to us if you want to be treated as an individual, if you want a personal service, if you want your own accountant. If you do appoint Warr Co, you'll be dealing primarily with either myself or one of my partners. Of course, from time to time, members of staff will be contacting you, perhaps when they're preparing accounts, and obviously if they raise a question of you, you should get back to them. But anytime you want to contact either myself or one of my partners, you can pick up the phone or you can send an email. And don't worry about the clock ticking, we're not going to charge you for a telephone call or for answering an email. Most of our competitors who have called contractor service organisations will charge you a monthly fee. Now I find this a little odd. Having been a practising accountant for over 30 years, I've come across monthly fees, perhaps paid by standing order, in situations where clients have financial difficulties and may not be able to pay the fee at the end of the year. This is not a problem I find with contractors. We have little or no difficulty in collecting our fees from contractors, so we see no commercial reason to set up a monthly standing order. Instead, we charge for the services that we provide. And do remember here that the services we provide to you may be different from the services that we provide to another contractor. So if you need only a little of our services, that's what you'll be paying for. Likewise, if you need additional services over and above what other contractors want, then we'll provide those to you. Yes, we will charge, but we will provide those other services. So in terms of fees, let's suppose that you have a contract rate that gives you £80,000 turnover in a year, and yourself and your wife are each employed by the company on salaries of £10,000 a year, and we're handling the payroll. You have a self-assessment tax return, your wife doesn't. We're doing that self-assessment tax return. The total fees for that are likely to be around £1,200 plus VAT, of which £175 plus VAT will be for your self-assessment tax return. A common concern amongst contractors is, what if HMRC open an inquiry? Well, what I want to ensure you is that we're here, we'll deal with that inquiry, we'll deal with it in a professional manner, for whatever reason it's been opened, and we'll bring it to a close. It has to be said that very few inquiries we deal with result from the taxman actually finding something out. It's usually a misunderstanding or a general inquiry. But whatever it is, unless you've deliberately done something, if we are handling your accounts and your self-assessment tax return, we'll bring that inquiry to a satisfactory conclusion without charging you any fees to do it. We can provide this as a free service because very few of our clients have inquiries. If you like what you've heard, why not give me a ring? You can get me on 0161 477 6789. Alternatively, send me an email, timw@warr.co.uk. Get in contact with me, whether you're a first-time contractor just going in, or whether you're an existing contractor for any reason unhappy with your present arrangements. And we look forward to meeting you.